video will take you through the steps to install Janison Replay application onto your specific device. Janison Replay is used for writing and spelling subjects for both ICAS and Reach assessments. To access information on Janison Replay and installation links, head to the Lockdown Browser page from the ICAS support menu. To begin the installation process, you will need to hover over the Event Support drop-down menu and click on Lockdown Browser. Once on this page, scroll down until you can see the devices that Janison Replay is able to be used on. Choose the installation file that suits your device. You will also find handy installation guides and helpful troubleshooting tips on this page about Janison Replay. To install Janison Replay onto your MacOS device, head to the Lockdown Browser page and download the .pkg file. This will start the download process. Once the file has been downloaded, double-click to open the file and begin the installation. From your desktop, double-click on the cardboard box image named Janison Replay. This will open up a pop-up window to install. Click Continue. Read through the terms and conditions of installing Janison Replay. Click Continue and then click Agree. Click Continue to install onto your device's hard drive. Click Install. You will now be asked for your ID and password for the computer. Enter those details in and click Install Software. Click Close. The installation is now complete. In order to find Janison Replay on your device, go onto the search bar and type in Janison Replay to find the application. You are now set to sit ICAS and Reach assessments. For more information on lockdown browsers for different devices or information guides on installing Janison Replay, head to the ICAS website Lockdown Browser page where the download links are located.